Hey, what's going on? Old fashioned ice cream, Ron's boot camp, Facebook family friends. This is Mike Sneed coming to you. Hey, it's been a minute. I want to thank everybody for joining us today. Hope everybody had a great holiday. Let me get this stuff on here. Hope everybody had a great holiday with Thanksgiving. I wasn't able to come live Thursday because of Thanksgiving. I was spending time with my family and friends. So I'm coming live today. We got some good stuff coming up for you all and the next beginning of next year. For one, spoke to Emery Thompson. I told you I went to the ice cream convention a couple of weeks ago. There, I spoke to their lead engineer, technician, or lead person that handles the maintenance and all that, and the repairs of the actual machines. So him and I talked, and he found out that I could repair them. I had school. They looking for people to repair them. So what they want to do, they want to team up with us to actually being able to have some support for their actual machines. But they actually in the meantime, it came out they got bought. So they got bought by a company called Middlebot. Middlebot, they bought Taylor. They make Taylor who make the soft serves and stuff like that. Machine. They bought them. They got some pizza ovens. They got a lot of commercial equipment that they make. But they just got purchased Emery Thompson by Middlebot. And with that, he still would like to partner with us to actually be able to get out and do some of their repairs. And not only that, because of that purchase that they just done, it might be able to go over and start doing some Taylor machines too. Taylor have some support systems with their technicians, but he would like to get a list of people who would be interested in servicing their equipment. So that's what we're coming to talk to you today. If you are interested, just send me an email to callsneednow@gmail.com. Include your business name, include your location, your email address, and your phone number, and I will actually send that information over to him. Now, with that being said, this is for people who are already doing field system repairs. It's not for somebody who doesn't do field system repairs. This is for somebody who's established. You have a great working knowledge of refrigeration and how to read schematics, and you want to move over into the commercial side. It's not for somebody who just want to come in and just get another contract and thinking they're going to be able to kind of fluff their way through. So that's one of the reasons why I want you all to email me first, so I can actually look at those names and look at those businesses, and I'm going to pass those on to him. Also, what they are offered to do in the beginning of the year, they're going to put on a class for us. So they're going to take about 25, 30 people. So 25, 30 of us go down to the manufacturing facility, Emery Thompson manufacturing facility. And while we're there, they're going to show us how to repair and disassemble and do everything to their battery. So they're going to also provide a training class for us. In that training class, they said you have to get your way down there to do it, which is no problem for us. But they have the machines and stuff there. They can accommodate about 25 people, and it's an advanced training class. Once again, same thing with the actual people who are actually signing up for the actual to do the contracting work for Emery Thompson or fixing their equipment. And like he said, it's not just their equipment. You'll be able to fix any of the back freezers and stuff. Once you're done. So, but not only that, they're going to provide training for us too. And the training, once again, is for people who already has a working knowledge of field systems. It's not for somebody who just want to come and get trained. You need to already be doing field system repairs and have a working knowledge, a good working knowledge of how field system works and stuff. And because that's where the class is going to be geared to, showing us. It's not going to be showing you the basics of refrigeration stuff. We automatically assume you know that this is an advanced class that he's going to be doing. So if you want to get more into commercial refrigeration and start seeing stuff, how those commercial batch freezers and commercial freezers work, this will be a great time And like I said, we'll be down there. It's located in Florida. We're gonna get together, put together a training class. It'll be beginning of the year, he said. And from there, I'm gonna go to the training class too. And then from there, I'll have the working knowledge of everything that they teach and how they do it, and I can bring that back to appliance boot camp and be able to teach. And I have the batch freezers here too, so I'll be able going forward be able to actually do that. And this right here is continuation of the appliance boot camp, actually teaching you how to actually come in and actually build generational wealth. Be able to come in, use your appliance repair skills, get enough cash flow, get enough cash, be able to go out to underserved neighborhoods, purchase property at a great price, be able to actually renovate the property, then be able, if you want to do something like this, where you doing homemade ice cream, be able to go get those equipment, those pieces of equipment at great prices, restore them, put them out there, get them working for you, and be able to maintain your own equipment. Because I have to fix my own equipment here. So that's what I'm teaching you all. The same thing I'm doing. I want you all to be able to do it too. And like I said, and the great thing about it, he's not charging us to come down there to actually take the class. So it's gonna be about 25, 30 of us. And like I say, I want people who already have the working knowledge and skill systems, not somebody who just want to take the class. This is going to be for advanced classes and stuff. And then afterwards, I'll put together a little training class afterwards for people who's going to be coming in late. All right, so I'll read some of the stuff we got going on in the chat, and then I'm gonna be getting out of here. It's the last day before I have to get back onto the grind and finish the year out. So I'm gonna read some of the stuff we got going on in the chat, then I'm getting out of here. Frank Evans said, "What? Let's get it." Okay, Frank. Hey, what's going on, DCNL? Say, what's good, Mike? Okay, DCNL say he's with it. All right, good stuff, DCNL. Yeah, just email me at Call Sleep Down. Send your business name, send your location, your email address, and your phone number, and I'm gonna take that information and send it over there to him. And like I said, be on the lookout. Him and I, we're gonna put together a time that we can and a date at the beginning of the year. We both said we gotta wait till the holidays pass, and we go out to their manufacturing facility, and they have all the machines there, and they'll show us how to actually disassemble and how to actually how everything is going, so you can actually repair them. All right. Hey, what's going on, West Pete the Third? So how's it going? It's going good, man. It's been great. I had a great November. November is my birthday month. Not only that, I got to go to the ice cream convention. Got to go see that. I had a great time. I got to go out to Seattle and meet with one of the companies I do work with, and that was a great time. And now I'm back here, and like I said, talking to Emery Thompson and getting things set up for the beginning of the year to do stuff with them is great. And I'm finishing up the shipping container. So you actually start seeing some information next week about the shipping container. What's going on, humble leader? Humble leader say nice. Okay. Uh, Quentin Hodge. Hello, Mike. Still dropping gems. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. And like I say, and this right here is not only for you all, it's for me because I want to have a better working knowledge of the machine. No, I know how to fix them, but other stuff that I would like to be able to troubleshoot more on those machines. Like those compressors pump down where and they have those cut in and cut out switches. I would like to get a better working knowledge of how those things actually work. I can test them and I can tell when something bad and stuff, but I would like to get a great explanation and from them how they actually wanted theirs to work and stuff. And it should be good. Also, I was telling him setting I've changed a couple of speed reducers, and with those speed reducers, just aligning it, how they align it properly. Because I have a hard time lining it, but I found out it's a tool. You have an actual tool that they make to line it up. So just seeing those little things how they do it, I have a better knowledge of the machine. Terry Rothschild, great information as always. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Like I said, this is not something I'm just coming out here just saying and rambling. This is what I'm doing because as you see now, I got my ice cream mark on. This is what I do. I'm making ice cream, and with that, I want to be able to keep my machines going, and I'm fixing other people's ice cream machines and stuff. And so there's great money. And I got some batch freezers coming up. I got to pick up this week. It's great money into just supplying it, getting the equipment. You know, if you have to think these machines that we're using, they $20,000 to $30,000 for this machine. And if you go get one and like ones I bought for a couple of $1,000, and you fix it, and you can flip that thing and make 15, 20,000 on that thing. And a lot of people do it. It's a couple of companies. That's all they do. They go out and get the back freezers. They get the actual soft serve freezers and stuff like that, and they restore them and they sell them. And they going quick. So I got a couple of batch freezers I'm picking up this week that I want to restore and get them ready to go back out and see if I can make some money. Okay. Okay. Email Mike again. Okay, I got it scrolling at the very bottom. My email is callsneednow@gmail.com. It's scrolling at the very bottom of the screen. When you send that email, put your business name, your location, where you located at, an email address, and a phone number. And I'm going to forward all that information over to Emery Thompson, and then they'll be reaching out to you all, putting you on their list for what'll happen. Right now, they have people calling them, asking, can you have somebody that can come work on my equipment? They don't have a network of technicians and stuff. So with that, if you're in that area, they'll just send your information and you go out and you'll get the call. And like I said, at the beginning of the year, we're going to get to go through a formal training of how of their actual batch free. Right now, I think they're pretty much on the same platform, but they have like they got maybe one, two, three. I know they got the 200, the CB350. Uh, uh, I think they might have a 12 port or 6 port one. They got a 24 port, and then they have a 44 port. So hopefully we get to see all of those and get a good working knowledge on how all of them work and go. And once it's just like a washing machine. Once you know how to fix one, you can fix all of them. But I think just how they actually do that with coming from residential refrigeration and going to the commercial refrigeration. Like I say, they'll cut in and cut out switches and have compressors sometimes do pump downs and stuff. That stuff that we just need to get a good working knowledge of. Okay, Quentin Hyde. Hey, Mike, still dropping gems. Thanks, I appreciate that. Okay. Frank Evans, would they still have the class if less? Yes, yes. But I know I don't think it'll be hard to get 25, 30 people to actually go. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he'll still have the class if less because I'm going. I'm going. So yeah, I'm pretty sure he'll have the class if less. But that's the max he could take. The max he could take is 25, 30. But I'm sure, if we got 10 people down there, I know he would do it because that's about the class. I want to. That's about the right class for me is about 10. But he said that classroom can accommodate about 25, 30 people, and with that, it'll be great. Frank Evans. Okay, he's sending it now. Okay, I appreciate it. And like I said, send that to me, and I get that information to him and to Emery Thompson. And then from there, I'll be talking to them, and we'll be putting together actual time for us to actually time and date to do the actual training. And it's gonna be down in Florida. I think it's like in Central Florida. I don't know. I know it's about an hour or so from Daytona. So we'll see. We'll be going out there and we'll do the technical class. Like you said, like I'm telling you again, this is an advanced class. If you somebody don't know anything about class and you just look at so I want to go, no, it's not going to happen. We want people who already is at the level where they can go and take advantage of it. A lot of times we get so caught up into just taking training, and never implement it. We don't want to do that here. Here we want people who actually going to take advantage of this and take it to the next level. We also don't want to be there with people who don't know how that they'll have a working knowledge of the field systems and that's not on the level where they could actually take advantage of and bog the class down by asking simple stuff that we should not simple um, beginner level information about refrigeration cycles and stuff. So once again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like I say, send me those emails at callsleevenow@gmail.com. It's scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Include your business name, location, email, and phone number. I send out information over to Emery Thompson. Be on the lookout for us actually putting together the time and date for the actual back freezer training that we're going to be doing over at Emery Thompson. Once again, thank you all. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving and y'all have a good remaining holidays. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.